Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm to help you resolve if the display settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer are not opening or working properly, so they're not displaying. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing it would be to right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You want to select the processes item over here. So if it's not the default landing page, you want to just go ahead and select that processes button over here on the left side. And then you want to look for Windows Explorer. If you don't see it, you may just want to go ahead and search for it up at the top. So Windows Explorer should be the best result here. If you search for it, go ahead and right click on it and select Restart. Give that a moment here and then see if that resolves the issue. If not, you can close out of here and open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. So you can actually see a system repair is already pending. So you have to restart your device and then come back in here and run the scan again. And then you should restart your computer once the scan is done. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.